Yo, what is up? And welcome to another episode of Kwento Gains. Since bulking phase nga ako ngayon, gusto ko mag-share ng mga training tips during this phase. Let's go! Number 1, increase volume. Dahil mataas ang caloric intake mo, you can train with more volume. Pwede ka magdagdag ng reps, ng sets, or even exercises. Pwede ka rin gumamit ng mga intensity techniques like supersets, drop sets, giant sets, and rest pause. Pero remember, huwag sobra. Kasi kahit mataas ang calories mo, limited ang recovery ng katawan. Number 2, start with compounds. Compound exercises stimulates and builds more muscles. Kaya you always start with compound lifts. Like squat for quads, RDL or deadlift for hamstring and back, bench press variation for the chest, overhead presses for shoulders, dips, and close grip bench press for triceps, and chin-ups for the bicep. Number 3, use machines for added volume. After compounds, add machines para makadagdag ng volume safely. Mas controlled ang movement, less stress sa joints, at hindi gaanong demanding sa katawan. Perfect ito if you want to push your muscles closer to failure with less risk of injury. Number 4, don't skip cardio. Cardio is not just for cutting. Do at least 30 minutes of incline walk daily, fed or fasted in the morning, or even post-workout. Importante ito para sa iyong cardiovascular health, endurance, at para hindi ka masyadong mag-accumulate ng fat during the bulk. Number 5, plan long-term with periodization. Planuhin mo yung training mo long-term. Divide it into phases, 3 to 4 weeks each, for endurance strength, hypertrophy, strength, and power. This way, hindi lang hypertrophy ang tinatarget mo, pero pati endurance, strength, and power development. If you want to learn more about periodization, comment down below kasi masyadong haba yung video pag diniscuss natin dito. Kailangan separate video to. Number 6, deload. Lastly, huwag kalimutang mag-deload. Between phases, pwedeng totally magpahinga ka, walang cardio, walang weights, or magbawas ka ng volume and intensity for a week. Crucial ito para makarecover ang joints at nervous system mo. At para mas prepared ka for the next phase. So ayun guys, that's my bulk phase training tips. Kung nagbabulk ka ngayon, try mong i-apply mga strategies na to para sulit yung effort at pagkain mo. And that's it for today's episode of Kwento Gains. I'll see you in the next one. Keep grinding, keep pushing, keep learning. Peace out!